Welcome to our Excel tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through how to combine cells in Excel. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. To start, select the cell where you want to merge your content. Then navigate to the top of Excel and click on the FX icon to insert a function. Look at the concat function. If you can't find it, just search for it in the search bar. Once you have selected concat, it's time to choose the cell you want to combine. Begin by selecting the first cell, let's say it's A2. Then click on text 2 and choose the next cell, example B2. If you want to add a space between the combined cell, enclose a space within the quotation marks like this. And now let me add this text 3 as text 2 and click OK. And here your cells are now combined. To apply this to multiple cells, simply drag the file handle located at the bottom right of the cell. Drag it down to fill the desired range and release. And there you have it. Your cells are combined effortlessly.